Five things you need to sacrifice for you to be successful in life. Five things that you need to be sacrificed for you to be successful or rich in life. There are some things that for you to be rich or successful in life, you need to sacrifice them. If you don't sacrifice them, you will not be rich. You will not be rich as you ought to be. So for you to succeed in life, you have to sacrifice these five things. They may be painful for you to do, but it is necessary for you to do them if you really want to kind of make money in life. The first one is friends and family. Yes, I'm right. Friends and family. You had me right. For you to succeed in life, there are some friends you need to drop from your circle. There are some family that you need to take away from your life for you to be able to succeed. There are some friends you need to avoid. There are some family you need to avoid for you to be successful in life or for you to be rich. Friends that they are not money, they don't have money making mind. They are they have poverty mentality. They are not ambitious. They don't have anything to lose. They are just there existing. They are just there wishing for the grace of God. Meanwhile, God has given us His grace for us to utilize, and you are still there waiting for the grace of God. No. God has given us the mind to choose the right from wrong. God has given us the mind to kind of make sure that you succeed in life, because everything for you to succeed is at your disposal. So there are some friends you have to keep away in. 90% of the way you think is influenced by the people you keep around you. So make sure that you don't associate with people or friends that do not have ambition, friends that are not ambitious. They don't have anything, they don't have any vision, they don't have anything to achieve in life. They are just there existing. If you associate with them, they will make you to start thinking or acting like them. So the people you keep around you, the association you keep, will help you to kind of move forward in life. So the first thing you have to sacrifice in your life are friends that are not ambitious, friends that doesn't have any good thing to offer you, friends that are kind of reminding you of how poverty is good in their life. Keep away from them. Family, there are some family members that don't have anything to offer in life. They are only there to drag you behind. You should keep away or you should avoid them. You should sacrifice them. Those are the first people that you have to sacrifice. So the first thing you have to sacrifice in life for you to be rich and successful is bad friends and bad family members. The second one is your comfort. For you to succeed in life, you must come out of your comfort zone. Everything that is needed for you to make it in life is outside your comfort zone. If you are too comfortable or where you are, you don't do new things, you don't try out new things, you don't take action. Action cures poverty. You don't take calculated risk, you can never make it. You are only in your comfort zone. You don't want to try out new things. You only get the same result in life. If you are making a moderate amount of money, that is what you make throughout your life till you die. If you don't venture out, if you don't try new things, if you don't experiment, you can never be successful. You can never get success. So the best way to make it in life is to venture out. The best way to make it in life is to take action. The best way to make it in life is to take calculated risk. So you must go out of your comfort zone if you really want to make it in life. So the second thing you have to sacrifice for you to be successful and rich is your comfort zone. You must sacrifice your comfort zone. The next thing you have to sacrifice for you to make it in life is television, radio, and social media. Rich people don't watch televisions. You don't watch televisions. Most of us keep watching. You will stay glued to your television screen for a long period of time. Time that you should use to be learning new things, that you should be new to doing research or doing things that will be productive in your life. You will be there whiling away time discussing football. You know all the clubs in Europe, you know all their coaches. You will talk about politics, because when you put our televisions and radio in this our part of continent. What you always hear there is news about politics, football, entertainment, and nothing else. They can never discuss something that will help you to make money. You will be there whiling away time talking about people, talking about football. Then when you put our cable networks, what you'll be seeing there is all these telenovela movies, Z World and the rest. And we'll be there watching films, watching Netflix. You hardly want to weigh your time. I'm not saying that you cannot recreate yourself based on when you have a few time or for yourself when you have break time. You can kind of rejuvenate by doing things that you love doing, but you should not spend all your hours in it. So for you to make it in life, you must sacrifice television, radio. Then on the social media, you will know what you should be watching. You should not use your time be watching jokes and every other thing. Use your time to watch things that will add value to your life. Learn new skills, learn things, study, study online courses. Study online courses. This will help your life. So third thing that you have to sacrifice for you to make it, for you to be successful, and for you to be rich is television, radio, and social media. The fourth one that you need to sacrifice is sleep. Doctors advise us to sleep at least 8 hours in a day. But let me tell you, go and watch all the successful people. Most of them, they don't sleep more than 5 hours. If you sleep more than 5 hours, that means you cannot be rich. You cannot be as rich as you want. Sometimes you have to sacrifice sleep for productivity. Those quiet hours, you can take 2 or 3 hours out of that time you want to sleep and you kind of do some researches, study. Because during the daytime, you must be busy doing your hustlings. Once the night, you do your study. Like somebody like me, I don't sleep till it is at least 1 a.m. And I still wake up very early, like 5 a.m. I've woken up. I take time to study, to do my other things. Like this online that I'm doing, online content creating. I have a very busy schedule during the daytime, but at night I prepare what I will bring out in my content creation. I use it to study courses on how to improve on my skill, both online and offline. And in that way, you will make it in life. So, what you should sacrifice for you to be able to make it or to be successful, the fourth one is sleep. Then the next one that you will have to sacrifice for you to make it in life is money. You have to sacrifice money. What I mean by sacrificing money is you have to invest in yourself first. The first investment you must do in life is yourself. No investment that you do on yourself that is a waste. Invest, improve yourself, study, study. Online has made it very easy for you to get access to anything that you want. Have time to read, buy books, buy financial books, study, do courses, buy online courses, study them, go for conferences, learn new things. That way, you will make it very easily because it is the value that you have in you that people will really pay for. And if you are expert in whatever you're doing, you will make money very easily. So these five things I have pointed out are things that you must sacrifice in life for you to be rich and successful. Do all these things I have told you, and you will not regret it. If you liked what I have brought out today for you, the content that I'm doing, or this video that you have watched, like, share, and subscribe to my channel so that whenever I drop all these amazing and overwhelming content that I do, you're one of the first people to see and watch it.